What's up, guys? So I've been going through this car wash and I found the other day it took my damn windshield wiper. So I've already done this one and this one before, so I ordered a third one and I just keep buying the same one off Amazon. It comes with a little microfiber towel, which is nice. So that came in. I also got something for Bree. But yeah, we're gonna open this up and see what we got. All right, we're not off to the best start. So far, we just got another box. Don't think this will be of much use. Oh, hold on. Let's see. Hopefully not another box. Yeah, there we go. All right, there she is. So in case you guys were wondering, if you do want to change it, like if your old one is running bad, you can't just go buy a blade. I did that. It kind of works. Let me show you. So on my green one, I think those are 15-inch blades. I didn't know that you had to buy the whole thing or that it was literally the same price. So I just bought one. It's not in there very well at all. But I basically bought one from the store for like 15 bucks. Took it all apart, just took the two metal pieces, and I think there's only one metal piece left. And then just stole the rubber from the other one. So it does work, but honestly, why would you do that when you pay the same price and you can just get a brand new one? So I'll show you guys how to put this on, and you might run into trouble too, because I've ran into trouble on both these Jeeps. If you have like a bandsaw or some sort of saw, you're definitely going to need it, because they have this weird washer that you got to cut off, which I'll show you guys in a minute. It'll make more sense, but basically this won't fit, so it won't go back far enough because it gets stuck on that little washer thing. So you got to cut that off and then you're good. But I'll get these unpacked. Oh, it also does come with a tool and the bolt, which I already have the bolt and two of the tools, but I don't know where they're at, so that's nice. And then this nice towel that they give you. I now have 3. Still haven't used them yet. They're just piling up. But yeah, these things are like 19 bucks on Amazon. All right, we got everything laid out here. I apologize if it's getting windy. It's getting ready to storm. So, but anyhow, you can see where it broke. I still have the bolt and all that. But yeah, you can see right there, it just snapped right off. So that sucks. I didn't complain or nothing. These things are only like 19 bucks. So I'll get this old one off and get the new one on. It's pretty simple. But in case you guys don't know, that's why you're here, right? See how to do this. And also make sure you take this off. Some people don't. Take that off or you're not gonna like, it's not gonna help at all. All right, before I forget, this is what I'm talking about right here. You see how the threads stop, and then there used to be a bolt here, like just a circular, stupid bolt. So you can see where it's rusty because I got the bandsaw out and cut it. You guys have to do that, or else look what you'd be left with. You would only be able to go down probably to there, I'd say, is what would happen. So you guys got to get a bandsaw, cut that, get whatever type of saw you want. You're not even gonna use a saw as long as you get it, but obviously with that, you can't screw it on. So now it goes down to there where it should. You got at least 3 or 4 threads, and that's plenty to keep this thing on. So yeah, I'm gonna assemble this thing and show you guys what it looks like after. But that's definitely, you're gonna be frustrated if you don't plan for that, because it is annoying. But I'll be right back. All right, there it is, guys. So if you guys work on cars, you know that it seems like anytime you think that something like this will take 5-10 minutes, it always takes a half an hour. Well, luckily for me, I've done this 3 times. This is my 3rd time, and that honestly took like 3 minutes, like maybe even 2. But yeah, real easy and looks really good. This just slides into this, by the way. It's real easy. You just line them up and it snaps right in. And there you go. You might have to beat this down a little bit, and then once you get a thread on, you can just screw it down. But yeah, I'll start it up and get the wiper going so you guys can see it in action. So there it is, guys. Very nice and simple. Actually, when I got this Jeep, it didn't have the wiper, and also, come to find out, what I thought was going to be a 10-minute job. First of all, it took me like half an hour because, like I said, I had to figure out that I needed that bolt out of the way and whatever. Got that all finished up with, and then on top of that, the freaking motor was gone. The motor was bad, so I went to a junkyard where they have like 3 or 4 of these sitting. Like, I think they're not even the V8s, they're the V6s. They're not even the 4.7s. But anyway, they got like 3 or 4 of those sitting, so I snagged it. And then putting that in, I ran to, it looked like it was gonna be, you know, 10 minutes. It took me probably like, I don't even know, I think I say in the video. But it was the wrong bolts or whatever, and then getting the thing out, I had the wrong shit I brought with me, so I had to use their tools. Like, you guys know how quick something can easily turn into a mess, but hopefully this helps you guys out. And yeah, if you need to see a video if your motor's dead or whatever, you need to replace it, just go pick you one up. I'm sure they're not, I think dude charged me like, I don't even know, maybe $20. Not expensive at all. And I have a whole install video on it as well. And I think it does vary on the bolts they use, because this uses different bolts than this one. This is a 06, that's an 07, so I have no idea about the 8, 9, or 10, but you'll definitely be able to get your windshield wiper on. And hopefully in the newer models, they don't have that stupid bolt there, because if that's there and you don't know, or you give up because you don't know to cut that little bolt, then you're gonna have to like go to a Dodge dealer and get the actual one, because this is just like a off-brand, but it works like just buying a phone cord but not buying an Apple phone cord. It's basically like that, which that's how most of these things are. But all right, y'all, I've rambled on for long enough. I got my back windshield all clean, getting the dust away. So thanks for watching, guys.